Remedies presents. This 3-ingredient recipe will make you forget medicines and pharmacies forever. 100% natural. Hi guys, good day to all my viewers. Hope you all are in good health. I am Rabia, and in today's video I am going to show you how to make the most powerful homemade remedy which will help you supercharge your immune system and help you fight all types of diseases. So I recommend to watch the video till the end to get full information, and without any more wait, let's start. As always, the best thing about this remedy is that it's all natural and you just need 3 simple ingredients to make it that are readily available in your kitchen. The remedy is very simple and easy to make. Just follow the simple instructions. Here's what you need to do. Ingredients: 2 lemons, 1 ginger root medium, honey 500 grams. Preparation: wash the lemons thoroughly and cut into slices along with the peel. Peel the ginger root and chop it as well. Put the lemons and ginger in a jar and then add the honey. Close the jar and keep it in the fridge. Let the ginger and lemon to fuse their flavors and goodness in the honey for 24 hours. After 24 hours, your delicious immune boosting natural health bomb syrup is ready for consumption. Use the required dosage to a glass of cold water or a cup of hot water. Stir and enjoy. Stays good stored in the refrigerator for up to a week. Dosage: 2 tablespoons a day for adults, 2 teaspoons a day for children. Many experts around the world highly recommend this homemade remedy. Try it and trust me, you will be amazed by the results. If you liked the video and found it informative and helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos daily. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Share on your social networks to help others benefit from it too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.